Importance of social studies. Knowledge of life. Knowledge of society. Knowledge of progress and development. Knowledge of live long. Knowledge of harmony and peace. Knowledge of social contract. Knowledge of world view. Knowledge of problem solving. Knowledge of world and hereafter. 12 dynamic themes of social studies. Learning of social studies is based on 12 themes according to National Curriculum of Pakistan. Number 1. Earth Science. We are created on Earth and it is our natural homeland. Earth Science deals with Earth and its neighbors. Solar system is created for us to explore it and to avail the advantages of nature. To live safely, we need to gain more knowledge about Earth and its atmosphere. Number 2. History. The best way to learn is to learn history. It reminds us achievements, struggles, failures and mistakes, much more, made by humans. History is the great pathway of facts on which we can learn and plan further progress and prosperity of mankind. Number 3. Citizenship or sociology. Life is not acceptable without manners or social norms. We are created with rights and responsibilities. Our normal routine life fulfills a famous saying, "Give it to get it." Societal issues, social norms, and community services are compulsory for human development. Number 4. Geography. Mankind is gifted with beautiful nature holding numerous resources. It is a pleasure to explore these resources and avail benefits from it. To learn more about physical features of land resources helps us to live a better and a safer life. Number 5. Environmental sciences. Environmental issues are globally addressed to retain Earth as a safe and livable place. Ignorance of its concern cannot be comprised. Every mankind on Earth has to play his or her role with responsibility. Number 6. Religion. We are naturally driven by our belief system, which is a compulsory part of human psychology. Belief system creates mindsets which initiates our actions and habits. Our religion leads us to the path for being positive and helpful for others. Islam is a complete code of life which provides best motivation and clear direction in each walk of life. Number 7. Culture. A central concept encompassing a range of phenomena that are transmitted through social learning in human societies. Normally, we all are culture-driven people. Customs, traditions, festivities, social norms, literature, and living contract with our society reflect our attitude and civic sense. We are blessed with rich and sophisticated culture. Number 8. Economy. One of the objectives of education is to develop skilled individuals for industrial society. Introduction of money, trade, finance, and business models nurture young minds to understand the nature of work life. Number 9. Patriotism or nationalism and our world. We are the citizen of this world and the caregivers of this global human society. Nature has already kept patriotism as an instinct in our heart and soul. Young minds are full with love for homeland. Along with nationalism, we should inculcate universal brotherhood, humanity, harmony and peace in young learners. Number 10. Life skills or socialization. Education is merely a process of socialization. It is rightly supposed that education must produce better humans instead of better individuals. Soft skills development is now recognized as main part of school education. Number 11. Agriculture or nature and resources. Life depends upon land and its resources. Agriculture is one of the oldest professions. We earn and fulfill our basic needs from land and its resources. Number 12. Ecology. We are born with our natural allies like air, land, water, animals, and plants. Life is impossible without these basic needs of living creature. Study of relationship and interaction between these elements makes our life easier, worthy, and happy. If we wish to live long on earth, we have to go with ecology. Turnkey Publishers has developed social studies curriculum based on the course outline and themes mentioned in National Curriculum of Pakistan. By fulfilling the standard of curriculum, we have enriched our social studies books much more than only just a course. Following are the key features of books of every level. Grade 1 and 2. Themes-based chapters which connects the students to their previous knowledge and matter to be taught in the class. Social studies for grade 1 and 2 are designed to boost the students' writing and reading skills, learning more by doing, developing social skills in the students. Pictorial descriptions boost the learning ability of the students. Activities are creative and moral based that increase their learning ability and social sense. Exercises are short, knowledge based, and designed in a way to promote their level of interest. Reinforcement exercises are given at the end of each chapter to revise the concepts. Grade 3 till 5. All the themes are focused according to the National Curriculum of Pakistan. Detailed exercises are designed for effective reinforcement of knowledge. Every chapter has clear objectives. Exercises based on high order questions are helpful to trigger questions in student mind to power to think how and why. Reasoning questions leads to creative work for enhancing critical thinking of students and cognitive development. Activities-based projects and tasks are designed for boosting knowledge of applications and analysis. Additional feature of Sci knowledge which develops students' level of interest. Promoting soft skills development for social grooming. Emotional development by engaging students among family, culture, and religion. Leading with discussed features, grade 6 till 8 social studies books have some more following additional features. Open-ended questions to invite students for strengthening their logical thinking. Comprehension and activity-based exercises to indulge students with the relevant topic. Theme and moral-based activities or research work which connects the students to the modern world. Annexure of social skills is designed at the end of each book to develop good habits in students. Two annexures of social skills are placed in the middle and at the end of each book respectively for social and emotional grooming of all students. Different activities of social skills including cooperation, communication skills, positive attitude, rights and responsibilities, goal setting and decision making helps to groom and train students for their lives. Academic Support Protocol. Turnkey publishers provide a complete support to their readers which enhance academic excellence in the form of Academic Support Protocol, which includes number 1, Solutions, a complete guidebook for all the teachers which includes solved exercises according to the need of the questions that helps the teachers in effective teaching. Number 2, Syllabus. Term-wise and month-wise syllabus breakups helps the teachers to plan the content to be taught in whole session in the proper time frame. Number 3. Teacher's Note. Teacher's notes for each book are available according to the need of the topic, which helps the teachers to motivate and connect the student to the topic.